Are you wondering which design tool is best for your projects? Today, we're comparing Autocad, Bluebeam Revu, and Planswift. Each of these tools has its own strengths and features, so let's dive in. All three tools help with design and construction project. They allow users to create, edit, and manage plans, but they each focus on different aspect of the workflow. First, let's talk about AutoCAD. It's a powerful software widely used for drafting and designing. AutoCAD is great for creating detailed 2D and 3D drawings. It's known for its precision and versatility. Many professionals in architecture and engineering use it daily. Now, let's look at Bluebeam Revu. This tool is focused more on document management and collaboration. It allows users to annotate PDFs, making it easy to share feedback with teams. Bluebeam is popular in the construction industry for its ability to streamline workflows and improve communication. Finally, we have Planswift. This software is designed for takeoff and estimating. It helps users measure plans and calculate costs efficiently. Planswift is especially useful for contractors and estimators who need to create accurate bids. So, what are the main differences? AutoCAD excels in detailed design work. Bluebeam Revu shines in collaboration and document management. PlanSwift is the go-to for estimating and takeoff tasks. When it comes to features, AutoCAD offers extensive design tools. Bluebeam Revu has robust markup and collaboration features. PlanSwift focuses on measurement and cost estimation tools. In terms of pricing, AutoCAD is often considered a premium option. Bluebeam Revu has a mid-range price, while Planswift is generally more affordable for smaller businesses. In conclusion, if you need detailed designs, go for AutoCAD. If collaboration is key, choose Bluebeam Revu. And if estimating is your focus, Planswift is the best fit. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.